And he's like, ah, what's there? What do you eat? Yeah, that's nice.
This is the French fry.
What do you call that?
Look at that. What do you call this in French?
I like that. It's good with that.
Okay, I got the fish salad, I got the mushroom salad. For the kids, I was making big Z to get, you know, eat the fish.
No.
I got this escargot, I want to pick it up, I'll bring it right over here.
Oh, escargot.
You worked in San Francisco? Really?
Yeah, I lived there for like 5 years. And I worked in a bunch of kitchens.
What did you think of San Francisco?
Why did I move there?
No, what'd you think of it?
I would love to raise my kid there.
You would love to raise your
Yeah. Yeah.
I wouldn't go in that way anyway.
I prepared this escargot, I don't have enough dish for this, I put one over here.
I am.
If this, everything would be on the table over there. I got one dish, no good. You know, it's a different
Well, at
dish.
least I need the two for myself.
I worked in it was like rustic, but
All right.
Okay, I want to do some of the chin chin.
Bill sent you 100 stars.
Thank you very much, Bill.
Take 500.
You know, the open of the ostrich, it take me 2 hours.
The oysters?
They're taking 5 minutes to finish up.
And the clam is, and now look at this, it's a finish already.
Like it was pretty crazy.
Somebody give it to me a little wine, please.
Put that down.
Nobody give you wine.
Wow.
Does he need some wine?
No, wait, what is a wine country up there called? It sounds like
No
no
wine.
Napa.
Napa. Oh,
Yeah.
that's
Napa stands for
Oh, this looks so good.
which is like the part of
Oh
the
my
city that-
gosh, look at this.
Wait, my wife should come with the wine. Like this. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Salute chin chin. Salute. Salute chin chin.
Wow, the first time on camera.
Oh. Salute. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, everybody.
So you got seafood salad, mushrooms, baked ziti. There's more stuff.
Yes.
Raw garlic, parsley, escargot.
I had a friend whose boyfriend, Mark, worked for at Spago.
Okay.
That's in LA, right?
I want to say to everybody, thank you very much. Thank you for the star. And we'll see you next time. Thank you. Salute. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Salute, chin chin.
Oh, really?